Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S21, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the phone. Now, to get started, you will need a SIM eject tool. I have one right over here, but if you can't find it, normally they come. Basically, this is the cover of your phone, right? You have this little Samsung thingy thing. When you get it out, you can see that there's the SIM eject tool. So that's one way you can get it. Or you can also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it will work just as well. So once you have one of those, you want to pop out the tray, which will be located on the bottom of the device. So if I grab it, let me lock it. There we go. So if I grab it, you can see, if I actually bring up the light somehow, trying to get it, there we go. So you can see it now. There's the SIM tray. And you have two different holes, as you can see. So you have the one that is basically on the tray itself, and then one beside it. This is the microphone, so make sure you don't actually plop this into the microphone. And then there's this one. So let's just pop it in here. You can see it's holding in here. And this is the tray itself. So let's push it in. There we go. And you'll see that the tray ejects a tiny bit. Okay. So let's get rid of this, and now all we need to do is simply grab the tray and pull it out. And in here we have space for two different SIM cards. Now we'll place each SIM card on either side, so if you flip it over, you have basically the same kind of tray. Now when you're inserting this back into the device, you want to make sure where the hole on here is. As you can see, if I can get it into the light, there is this hole for the pin. And you want to make sure that you're not trying to insert it the other way around, because that way, as you can see, it won't go in. So it does need to line up with the one here. Like so. Now, unfortunately, there's also no space for the SD card, so there's only SIM in here. Now, my SIM does have a pin, so I'm gonna confirm that, and there we go. So obviously the SIM card is working based on the fact that I actually needed to put in a pin. There's also some things popping up here. No, skip. There we go. So that is how you insert your SIM card into the device. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.